All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 3 of lesson 20, collision detection. So this is where we're going to actually get to start coding. Woot, woot. So it says is touching. Writing out the math each time you want to check whether two sprites are touching can take a while. So a programmer created the is touching block, which can check whether one sprite is touching another sprite, the target. The computer is still doing the same math as in the previous program, but you don't have to worry about it because another programmer already did that work. So do this. Check if the bunny is touching the dinner. Drag the is touching block into the if statement. Don't forget to change the sprite to bunny and the target to dinner. So create the sprites and start moving. Excellent. All right, and then show me where. Yep, it's going to be right here. And we can tell that there's something wrong because of the yellow triangle. So something's going on here. We definitely need to look at line 17. But this is also telling us that, yes, this is where we need to add the code. So our sprite is touching target. We're going to move that into here. And we're going to say bunny is touching dinner. So with that, everything should work. We're going to run it and see. There we go. Voila. All right. So now instead of all that complicated code we saw on the screen before, we just have to say if the bunny is touching the dinner, voila. And all the rest will happen. All right, let's finish this. And I will see you on the next level.